Chapter 3: Input and Output Devices. Objective. Introduction. Input devices, output devices, storage devices. Introduction. Computers are made up of many different parts or devices, each with its own special job. These devices are used to enter the information to the computer and get the information out of the computer. They are basically used to perform input-output functions. They also add functionality to the computer and help the user to make efficient use of it. The parts or devices of a computer are divided into three main categories. A. Input devices. B. Output devices. C. Storage devices. Let us discuss about these devices with examples. Input devices. Input devices are those devices which are used to enter data into the computer. These devices include mouse. A computer mouse is a pointing device. It controls the pointer on the screen. It contains two buttons, the left mouse button and the right mouse button. It enters the data into the computer by clicking buttons. It can be used to play games, create drawings, selecting and moving an item. The optical mouse is also very commonly used. Keyboard. A keyboard consists of buttons called keys. A standard keyboard contains 104 keys on it. It comes in various shapes and sizes. A keyboard is used to type letters, numbers, sentences, and special symbols. It contains various types of keys like alphabetic keys, numeric keys, and special keys. Joystick. A joystick is a pointing device. It is used to click and select the items. It is mainly used in video games. It consists of a box having a stick with a button on the top of the stick. A button is used for the selection. You need to hold and move the stick, which in turn moves the pointer on the screen. Microphone. A microphone is an input device which is used to record the voice and send the voice signals to the computer. It converts the sound into electrical signals. It comes in various types like dynamic mics, condenser mics, ribbon mics, etc. It helps you to communicate with the other person through internet. Output devices. Output devices are used to produce and display the output. These devices include monitor. A monitor is an output device which produces the soft copy of the output. It looks similar to a television screen. Whatever you type using a keyboard, it is displayed on the monitor screen. You can watch movies and cartoons on the monitor. Printer. A printer is used to produce hard copy of an output. An output printed on the paper is called printout or the hard copy. It can produce colored or black and white prints. There are various types of printers like dot matrix, inkjet, laser, DC wheel, chain, etc. Speakers. A speaker is used to produce output in the form of voice signals. You can use speakers to hear music, sound, and voice. It is attached to the CPU using separate cables, or it comes as built-in with CPU. Headphones. Headphones are used to produce sound. You need to put on your headphones to hear the sound. Headphones are also commonly known as earphones. Storage devices. Storage devices are used to store the data into the computer, which remains there until you delete it. These devices include hard disk. Hard disk is also known as fixed disk because it is fixed inside the CPU. It has a large storage capacity and can store large amount of data. It allows us to write and read data from it at a very fast rate. Compact disk. Compact disk or CD is circular in shape, which is shiny at one side. Data is stored on the shiny side of the disk. It can store large amount of data. It can store movies, songs and text in it. DVD or digital versatile. Disk looks similar to compact disc. It can store more data as compared to CD. You can store videos and movies in a DVD. A standard DVD can hold 7.4 GB of data. Pen drive. A pen drive is compact. In size, it is also known as flash drive. It has large storage capacity. It is easily portable. You can copy any type of data in it, which can be copied to another computer. A quick review. Peripheral devices are those devices which are used to enter the information to the computer and get the information out of the computer. Input devices are those devices which are used to enter data into the computer. Input devices are those devices which are used to enter data into the computer. A keyboard is used to type letters, numbers, sentences, and special symbols. A computer mouse is a pointing device which controls the pointer on the screen. Output devices are used to produce and display the output. A monitor is an output device which produces the soft copy of an output. Headphones are used to produce sound. Storage devices are used to store the data into the computer, which remains there until you delete it. Hard disk is also known as fixed disk because it is fixed inside the CPU. Data is stored on the shiny side of a compact disk.